small to medium businesses need to pay attention to the new Microsoft 365 bundles. There's a major shift coming to Microsoft 365 this June, and small and mid-sized businesses who rely on the platform for daily operations shouldn't ignore it. Microsoft has already outlined that new capabilities, particularly in device and endpoint management, will be added to core Microsoft 365 plans like E3 and E5. These changes improve how IT teams detect issues faster, strengthen security, and keep devices productive. For resource-limited businesses, these upgrades can be a productivity boost, but they also mean licensing updates that affect both the features you receive and the price you will pay. Your IT provider should be talking to you about these changes already, because staying ahead of Microsoft licensing cycles is one of the most reliable ways to control costs. When Microsoft adjusts bundles, providers need to evaluate your current subscriptions, identify where new features can benefit your team, and pinpoint where you might be overspending without realizing. Business owners don't have time to monitor these shifts themselves, which is why a proactive MSP is essential. Providers who wait until after the changes take effect leave you reacting instead of planning, usually with a higher bill and no strategy to reduce it. Licensing changes also matter because Microsoft is aligning features with value. The more AI, security, and management tools they add, the more they adjust pricing to match the expanding capabilities. That means bundles may shift, prerequisites could change, or older SKUs may be phased out. Evaluating your IT environment early often identifies opportunities to move into a more cost-effective bundle before the change, securing better features at a lower or locked-in rate. If you wait, you could lose access to time-sensitive pricing or renewal windows, leading to higher monthly costs. The good news is that these June adjustments can actually save your business money. New capabilities such as enhanced endpoint management and AI-driven troubleshooting tools can reduce downtime, improve device health, and cut down the hours your team spends reacting to issues. When these functions are built directly into Microsoft 365, you can eliminate redundant third-party tools, simplify support workflows, and get more out of the licenses you already pay for. Working with a provider like Simplex IT can use these transitions to optimize your environment in a way that boosts productivity while controlling cost. The risk is what happens if you're not prepared. If your licensing model is outdated, or your renewals fall after key deadlines, or if your bundle no longer fits Microsoft's new structure, you may end up paying more for the same capabilities. That's the pattern every time Microsoft updates licensing tiers or features. Simplex IT helps businesses across Northeast Ohio navigate these transitions by evaluating your current licensing, identifying risks or cost spikes, and recommending the right timing to adjust or renew so you stay ahead of the changes instead of being forced into them. To learn more about bundling Microsoft 365 for your business, contact us today. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.